When it comes to Armadale, there's lots of things to do for kids. It's a great place. There's so many places to go to. We've got this place here, obviously, the Armadale Reptile Centre. The interaction is just something they don't get at home normally. It's so much better than a zoo. They've got everything here.
We find so much to do around here. There's plenty of parks that the kids love to go to. There's bush trails that we like to go to.
We come down here, they do their swimming lessons on a Saturday morning, and then I generally go for a swim and get a bit of fitness in.
The boys have got so much area to run around in, and yeah, you forget that you're so close to the city because you're in your own mini world. We enjoy going to the fireworks on WA Day as well.
In Armadale, they have play groups and catch-ups with other moms, especially with moms with small kids like me. Lots of playgrounds as well.
It's a fantastic event. Lots of people, really good vibe, lots of things to do, and it's great for the little ones. There are a lot of great facilities here in the city of Armadale.